Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Good job, the motherfucking Eastside boys. Okay. Pastor Troy. Yeah. We represent for everybody. Everybody. All the real niggas in America. Where you at? Or where the fuck you from? We represent for y'all. We represent for GA, Naptown, Tennessee, St. Louis, Shaneville, Mississippi, Alabama, VA, Detroit, DC, Dallas, Texas, the Carolinas, Houston niggas, Louisiana, the Bay niggas. Let's go! Niggas must be scared to represent your shit. You're scared. You must be scared, nigga. Scared. Fuck that shit. Fuck all my real niggas. What's up? That's proud of they hoods. Yeah. All of my real ladies. Yeah. Proud of they hoods. Yeah. Ain't never been scared. Yeah. Say this shit.